All right, let's get right to it. And weather, well, interesting. If nothing else, we've had plenty of cloud cover around throughout the day today, but no precip. And over the next couple of days, we're going to see our fair share of clouds, but you can see sort of the story here from the Taos webcam, and that is the fact that we've, had a lot of cloud cover, but we're not talking about the kind of clouds that produce precipitation. So tomorrow, same sort of deal, where we're going to have plenty of clouds out there. This is another shot from down south from Ruidoso, and most of the action here, high and mid-level cloud cover, so it's not going to be a kind of situation where we've got any shot at anything that means much until probably the beginning of next week, and even that, at this point, is a little bit shaky, and we'll get into more details on that later on tonight. 69 degrees in the metro. South-southwest winds at 3 miles an hour. A big improvement in the winds today. 60s and 70s across the state for the most part, although Carlsbad a little bit warmer right now at 80 degrees there. Mid-70s around the Deming area. When you compare the temperatures to what we had at this point yesterday, the metro a bit of a warm up, but the cloud cover has hurt that warm up a little bit. But across the southeast, big time warm up here, 10 to 15 degrees warmer. As you get out toward Las Vegas, a few degrees warmer, much warmer in Tucumcari. As you get out in Farmington, Cortez, Los Alamos, all those areas, single digit warm-ups for today. Wind gusts across the north 20 to 30 miles an hour. Central section's not all that much wind, and down to the south around 20, 25 mile an hour winds. Here's a look at what's going on with that cloud cover sliding its way off the Pacific in toward New Mexico. Most of the action as far as precip goes stays into central Colorado and points north of there, and even up there it's not that much of a factor. But over the next 24 hours to 48 hours, there will be a little weather disturbance that'll kick off to our north, so that will allow for a few more clouds as well. But for the most part, a west to east flow of air across the state, that usually means warm air for us, and that's what it means in this case. And any weather disturbance we see goes off to the north and is not a huge factor here, and it doesn't look like we'll have much to worry about over the weekend. The big change over the weekend, though, as you'll notice in the 7-day forecast here, more sunshine Saturday into Sunday. Better shot at seeing more sun and maybe slightly warmer temperature. 69 Grant, 70 in Farmington, and 70 out in Gallup. Over into the southwest, temperatures here 70s and 80s. Saturday into Sunday, mostly sunny skies. West winds tomorrow night, a huge factor, 10 to 15 miles an hour. Over to the southeast, partly cloudy, warmer temperatures. Once again, getting all the way to 87 on Saturday in Roswell. 60s and 70s over the northeast for tomorrow. Still plenty of cloud cover. Same deal over the northern mountains. A lot of cloud cover. Yeah, we could grab a spot shower in some of those high mountain communities. Less of a chance around places like Santa Fe. Down into the East Mountains, mostly cloudy skies here. West winds 10 to 20 miles an hour, 60s and 70s. And finally, right here in the metro, temperatures in the low 70s. Sun and clouds. Southwest winds occasionally noticeable, but not off the charts high, and we'll keep those low 70s rolling into the weekend with more sunshine throughout the weekend. So Easter Sunday looks good, 73. Good.
All right. Sports is next.